So, ayun guys, ang ating next destination ay itong Maragondon Church, no? Dito tayo sa bayan ng Maragondon. Yan, at nasa likod natin ang kanilang simbahan, no? Basahin ko na. Ang Our Lady of the Assumption Parish Church, yan ha. Commonly known as Maragondon Church, is a Roman Catholic church and the only heritage structure in the municipality of Maragondon, no? Yan, nag-isa siyang heritage structure guys, no? Yan, sa Maragondon, Cavite, yan. Declared by the National Museum as a National Cultural Treasure, it is under the jurisdiction of the Diocese of Imus. So, ayun guys, no? Kanya ang simbahan ng napakagandang simbahan ng Maragondon Church, no? So, ayun guys, ay dahil short video lang tayo, no guys, at ilagay ko lang yung link dito, yung video ng simbahan na to. Na siguro 2 years ago, ako na ata na vlog yun. Lagay ko lang yung link, no guys, kasi hindi tayo pwede mag-video sa loob at may misa. At mahirap ng kailangan galangin natin yung ganyang misa. Huwag tayo mag-vlog. Pero sa labas pwede naman, no? Check nyo lang yung link, kompleto yung guys, yung aking video. Yan, napakaganda ng simbahan yan. May kakaibang structure sa loob ng Maragondon Church, no? Kaya, yun guys, sinearch ko lang. At alam nyo namang tayo pag nag-vlog, hindi natin alam. O, yun. Ito guys ay consecrated 1581, no? Yun lang. Completed 1714, no? Yan, yun na naman. Yan, Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Manila. Nakalagay dito administration, no? Yan, tapos sabay diocese, Roman Catholic Diocese of Imus. Yan, tingnan natin yung history, baka may malaman pa tayo. Click natin. Ayan. Ayan, before 1611, Maragondon was established as a separated town from Silang. Yun pala yan, by the Jesuit Angelo Armano, no? Before this year, the Franciscans were already actively evangelizing the area in 1630, a second church. Yan, ang ganda lang guys, baka mapahaba lang ating vlog, no? Hindi naman na, ay, hindi ko yung aking binabasa. Nasa initan kaya kasi ako guys, no? Ayan. Ayan guys, yun na lang ako mabasahin. Tato ko yung nainitan, hindi ko makita yung aking binabasa, no? Sinerch ko lang yan para hindi tayo magkamali sa aking vlog. So, ayan guys, no? Yan ang Maragondon Church, no? Check nyo lang ulit yung link. Lagay ko lang din sa aking vlog, no? Next destination tayo guys, no? Para marami tayong mapuntahan, no?